project in Android Studio and you face this problem or error which says unable to start the daemon process, and Android Studio give us some clues and says this problem might be caused by incorrect configuration of the daemon process, or it can be due to unrecognized Java Virtual Machine option is used, or JVM. So we have to look the JDK, what have we selected in Android Studio, and if we have not selected the correct JDK option, and then Android Studio get messed up and gets mad and throws us an error. Now let's go to File and open project structure, or you can press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus S and open project structure. Now you have to go to SDK location and go down to JDK location. Now as you can see, we have selected JDK option, which is not used by Android Studio or recognized by Android Studio, hence we have to use the embedded JDK. Now you have to check this, use embedded JDK, which is recommended by Android Studio, and press OK to allow the project to sync again. Now the project is completed, successfully built. Now you can continue doing some coding. Thanks. Happy coding.